The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Book summary. The Secret has been a bestseller in the self-help category. Written by Rhonda Byrne and published in 2006. Based on the earlier film of the same name. It is based on the belief of the law of attraction, which claims that thoughts can change a person's life directly. The book has sold 30 million copies worldwide and has been translated in 50 languages. The law of attraction, like any other law in physics, mathematics, or any other science subject, is completely real. Rhonda describes it as the most powerful law in the universe, and it is this law by which we create our lives. So whether we realize it or not, it is working all the time. What happens around us is what we have manifested or, let's say, brought to life in our thoughts in the past. Remember the times when you really wished for something or remembered somebody really hard, and that person either calls you or you find an instant connect with that thing? So what the book says is that we create our own circumstances and we are the creators of our reality by the choices that we make for ourselves, and the choices that we make are fueled by the thoughts. So friends, our thoughts are the most important and powerful thing that you possess, which we underestimate the most. A story that goes by the concept of this book is when Chicken Soup for Soul creator Jack Canfield was deep in debt a year before he made it big. Now, his best-selling books have sold over 100 million copies all over the world. Jack travels countries teaching the secret behind the success. Another example is of Lisa Nichols, who grew up on the streets of Los Angeles, and at the age of 19, after hitting rock bottom, Lisa prayed for a better life. Today, Lisa makes a fortune motivating more than 16,000 teenagers to help them make better choices in their lives. James Arthur Ray grew up as an insecure and awkward teen. In his 20s, weightlifting helped him gain confidence. But after near-death experience, in a major accident, he almost went bankrupt. And this forced him to focus on the life that he really wanted for himself. Now he runs a multi-million-dollar company that is dedicated to motivating people on how to attract success and wealth in every sphere of life. Everything that is created on this planet by humans was essentially created in our minds. When a person needed something, he first thought of it. And then, when he wanted it bad enough, created it. You can see anything around you, houses, and various yummy dishes that exhibit superior culinary skills, clothes, modern equipment, computers, internet, phones, fans, beds to sleep on, chairs to sit on, and everything we created started with a thought, right? Or did it just appear out of nowhere? So all these creations, we can say, first was created in the mind and then got manifested in the outside world. Or we can say created in the outside world. So, in a nutshell, the wonderful things humans have done to this planet and the horrible things we have done to this planet, both of them have come from the human mind. So, if you want to create something in this world, it's important for us to know what to create in the mind first, logically speaking. It's been a long-known behavior of humans all over the world. If they see somebody's possessions, they want it. Then they see something else, bigger and better. Now they want that. If they get it, it's fine. But if they don't, they think it's not for them to have, or name it destiny, or pacify themselves saying life is better without it. Everything has an upside and a downside. They start seeing the downside in the thing they could have had. In this haphazard race of wanting and then switching, the universe is confused whether you really want it or not. If a person really wants something strong enough, consistently, he will find a way. It's kind of a meditation towards manifesting something in life. What's meditation? Is the human mind really capable of going blank? Science says no, only in death. And we don't want to die. We want to live a life of fullness. Now, fullness can be different for different people. And if the mind cannot be blank, then why not give the mind a job? A job to visualize and invite the life you wanted. Meditate on that thought for the life you want for yourself. On the things you really want strongly. It will manifest. But you also have to be careful in your command to the universe. See, the universe doesn't know how to understand no or a negative. It doesn't understand I don't want to spill coffee on my dress. It thinks you want to spill coffee on your dress. So, it says, your wish is my command. And does that, and you keep thinking, I don't want this. Every thought is important. Fearful thoughts will give you more instances and events in life to be more fearful. Sad thoughts will give you more events and circumstances to be sad. Happy thoughts will give you more events and circumstances to be happy. It's simple, but also difficult to practice. A simple technique to put Rhonda Byrne's book into practice: take about 5 minutes each day. Let's start by now. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Focus. Focus hard on what you want and see yourself possessing it already. Living your life with it, already in your life, for real. No doubts, no questions of why and how. Just live with that reality in your thoughts. Make it a practice. How do you feel? The human body and mind needs a lot of practice to be good at something, apart from having a hereditary inclination towards a few talents. Mostly, you have to train yourself if you have to do something new. Train yourself each day, and each day you'll get better at this. Better at manifesting the life you wanted for yourself. Better at creating a life you wanted to live. Feel free to start a discussion below in the comment section. Let's walk through this phenomenal change in your life and work together. Like I say, you're not alone in this. Let's create our own lives.